Have you always wanted that thicker and fuller brow look without going to the salon? Ardell's Brow Lamination Kit can help you get that look by lifting, shaping, and defining your brows. This kit is safe and easy to use. This kit includes Brow Affix, Style Solution, Neutralizer, Treatment Oil, Plastic Film Roll, Spoolie, and 3 clear mini combs. You'll also need cotton swabs and a paper towel. Before beginning the brow lamination process, make sure the brows are clean. I will begin with one brow at a time for precise application. Let me show you how easy it is to use. Using the spoolie provided, brush brows upward or in the desired direction. Apply Brow Affix onto a small section of hair. Using the clear mini comb, brush hair upward and continue to work into small sections throughout the brow. Dip cotton swab into Style Solution and apply onto brows. Cover brows with plastic film and leave Style Solution on for 5 minutes. Gently remove plastic film from brows. Using the clear mini comb, brush brow hair upward to remove excess glue and Style Solution. Dip cotton swab into Neutralizer and apply onto brows. Cover brows with plastic film and leave on for 5 minutes. Remove plastic film, lightly moisten a paper towel with water and blot brows to thoroughly remove Neutralizer. Wait 2 minutes for brows to fully set. Apply treatment oil onto brows with spoolie. Blot excess treatment oil with paper towel. My left brow is done. Let's repeat the same process on my other brow. The lamination process is now complete. My brows are now lifted, shaped, and more defined. After the brow lamination is complete, you can trim and shape your brows as desired. Keep brows dry and avoid steam and water for 24 hours. Wait 3 days after the lamination is complete to tint brows.